Hello, my dear children. Very pleasant morning to all. So, last we have started unit number 12. So, that is health is wealth. We completed activity number 1, activity number 2, and habits for good health also. Okay, we have completed it. So, now the keywords is remaining. Let's see it. First is hygiene. Now, what is hygiene? Keeping yourself and your living and working areas clean. Keeping yourself means you have to bath daily. You have to keep you clean. If you go out for playing and coming in home, you have to bath it. Keeping yourself neat and clean. And your place also means you are sitting in any other place, in school or in home, you should keep all the place clean. That surrounding you, all the place should be clean is known as hygiene. So from that, some diseases cannot be occur. So you have to maintain hygiene. Promote. To help something to happen or develop. Now what is promote? Some of you might have received many medals or certificates from schools or from any other thing sources. So they are giving for what? Promote. Promote means that you go further in that field and you get developed. So and your skill should be developed. So they are promoting it by giving you a medal that this person has done this. So this is promote. Swell. To become bigger or rounder. Swell means to become bigger or rounder. Blister. Swelling on the surface of the skin that is filled with liquid by burn. So swelling is there where the liquid, when the burn is there, the liquid swell is coming, is known as a blister. Ointment. Cream that you rub or apply on the skin, cure a wound. That suppose you get a hurt here. So I have to apply here ointment so that it will relax to me. Cream that you rub or apply on the skin to cure a wound. So if I am applying this here, suppose I got hurt here, then it will get cured but not in one day, after some times. Okay, this is ointment. Now activity number 3. Work in a group of 4. Find out what's your friend to do to keep healthy, then report it to the class. Now you all have to find that what your friend is doing to keep healthy, to remain healthy. You ask to your friend, just as it is. This is the activity you have to do. That what you are doing, keeping your book clean, your home clean. What types of things are done by your friend? You just have to ask him that what you are doing to remain healthy. You can ask by him, and you just report it to the class, and you can talk. But we cannot do now this. Okay. Now, activity number 4. Study the following information. First aid is the care given to a person who is hurt. Accident and injuries happen only once in a while. How can you help? So now what? First aid is a care given to a person who is hurt. Hurt, you can be fallen down from a place. You got hurt in your kitchen also. You get from many types. Okay, hurt can be there. When you are playing in school, you can get hurt by falling down, or your finger got caught in kitchen, or when you are sharpening your pencil, then also it may cause. So hurt can occur many times. So first aid is care. First aid is a care given to a person who is hurt. First aid means immediate treatment so that person can be cured from its wound. Well, accidents and injuries, many big accidents occur. It does not happen daily. It happens once in a while. Sometimes it's happen because we don't, because of some reason. Sometimes your mind is not there when you are going with your vehicle, or many things, so that it can happen injuries. But first aid is what? It can happen many times. So it is a cure given to a person who is hurt. Now how can you help? How we can help them? So let us see. You need to try your best to stay calm. You can save a life just as much as anybody can. you have to be calm at that time, and you can save life of the people also by staying calm, so you can help them. For example, here are some general first aid tips for person who has got burns. Now what, some person you are facing in your classmates, or you are getting worried that what happened. You have to stay calm at that time, and you have to save life. By what? I am giving the tips here. See here, tips is there. First, see what type of burn it is, and then treat it one of the following ways. First, you have to see which type of burn it is. This is very hard, little bit blood is coming out, or just only inner pain is said. You have to see all the types of burn. Now what is the following step? First degree, there will be redness and pain, no blister, and the area may also swell. Now there will be redness. Suppose I have burn here, so what happened here? The red and my finger will be very much painful. But blister, no blister means that liquid doesn't come out, but their area may also be swell, feel paining. The first is redness, pain, there is no blister, and the area may also swell. Hold the, so first, if the area is redness and pain, no blister but only swelling is there, then what you have to do? That put that finger in the cool running water. So at that time you have to put the finger in the cold running water. Do not apply butter or ointment. So the blister is not there, means liquid is not there, then you have to apply. You hold the hand and put in the water, and you should not apply the butter or ointment. Okay, this is the first. Now second, the skin may look wet. This burn is usually very painful. Suppose here wet means blood is coming out, and it is very painful. So there will be blisters, means there will liquid, now blood will come out and liquid type is there. So there will be blister. Get help right away. Do not put ice. At that time you should not put ice because blister is there. Don't break the blisters. Do not use cotton balls to clean the area. So blister, I can say that you can say that big something is occurring while filling your hand with water, like so. In that time you do not put the ice because it will be bigger. So do not break that balls also here. Okay, blister you should not break it. And do not use cotton balls to clean the area, and we should not use the cotton balls to clean the areas. Do not apply ointments. Let a doctor decide how to treat this burn. So in this what, second, wet skin is there and blister is there. You don't have to put ice, don't have to use the cotton balls, and you don't have to do anything by yourself. Just you have to take a concern of doctor that what he is telling, how to treat that patient. Okay, now this is second. Now third, this burn will appear brown or black with the part under it sometimes looking white. So this is looking brown or black, but in the part is inside it is white. Do not try to treat this type of burn. You should not try to treat this type of burn in your home. Take the person to the hospital. This burn type need to be treated at the hospital as soon as possible. So in this case, you should take a person to the hospital as soon as possible. So in second degree and third degree, we had seen that we should take advice of doctor, that what should we do. Okay. So now activity number 5 we will discuss tomorrow or in next lecture. Okay student. Thank you.